See the question number 14. Explain heterotrophic mode of nutrition. The mode of nutrition in which the living organisms cannot synthesize their own food material from the simple inorganic material is known as heterotrophic nutrition. प्लांट्स जैसे अपना फूड अपने आप बना सकते हैं उसे हम ऑटोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन कहते हैं. हेटरोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन में ऑर्गेनिजम्स अपना फूड अपने आप नहीं बना सकता है. देयर आर मोस्टली 3 टाइप्स ऑफ हेटरोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन: सैप्रोफाइटिक न्यूट्रिशन, होलोजोइक न्यूट्रिशन एंड पैरासिटिक न्यूट्रिशन. Saprophytic nutrition. Some organisms break down the complex food materials outside their bodies and then absorb it. Such a mode of nutrition is called saprophytic mode of nutrition. We can have the example like bacteria, some fungi, yeast and mushrooms. Then holozoic nutrition. Some organisms undertake either a part, कुछ part और whole of animal or plants. या तो पूरी तरीके से कुछ small insects है, animals हैं या plants है, उसे पूरी तरीके से ले लेते हैं and then break down such sources inside their body. और फिर उनके body के अंदर वो धीरे धीरे digest हो जाता है. Such nutrition is known as holozoic nutrition. Example: human beings, dog, etc. Third is the parasitic mode of nutrition. The organisms that live inside or outside. They can be external parasite or internal parasite of other organisms and obtain nutrition from them are known as parasites. The mode of nutrition is called parasitic mode of nutrition. Example: several bacteria, lice, tapeworm, ascaris, cuscuta plant, etc. They harm the host plant while they benefit themselves. So the name is parasitic mode of nutrition.